I cannot express this enough. You will have to trade your time for money. Point blank, period. You will have to spend more time studying to make the money that your heart desires. Do not focus so much on how much money you can make, because that would not happen without you spending the time to learn first. When trading, you would not make the money without putting in the work first. And your results in the market reflect how much time you have spent studying to become profitable. You have to trade your time for money, because time is money. Think about how you set up there and you trade your time for money for your job. You made an agreement with your job that they could pay you X amount of dollars per hour for your time. So think about when people was making $7.25. They traded all that time for $7.25 an hour. Was that really worth it? But here you would have to trade your time for money, because time is money. Real wealth is not measured in money, it's measured in time. You have to ask yourself, how much time do I have to live off the amount of money that I currently have before I have to change the way that I live? That is how you identify true wealth. How long can you survive off the money that you currently have without changing the way that you live? I'll be honest with you, most people would have 30 days or less.